friends, and welcome back to the channel and a very special announcement video. I've got some exciting news to share with you, and honestly, it just couldn't wait for a normally scheduled episode. I just recently received a fantastic care package all the way from Spain, which might give you a hint as to who it's from, but just in case, drum roll please. That's right, friends. I've teamed up with Ammo, one of the most respected names in the hobby. Ammo has joined the channel family, and I couldn't be more thrilled. They sent over an amazing box full of modeling goodness. We're talking Cobra model paints, some of their Atom paint line, and a few other products I can't wait to dig into and test and review. So let's take a quick look at what they sent over. Okay, first off, they sent me a wide selection of their Cobra motor paints. Now, these are all acrylic paints that are designed to specifically match certain actual colors of cars and motorcycles. And like this one here is the 50s and 60s Rosa Corsa, which is the Ferrari red that matches the Ferraris from the 50s and 60s. They sent in the Gulf Blue and also Gulf Orange, which these two just automatically go together. I've also got a off-white. This one is actual wood, which can be used for like wood steering wheels, wood paneling, things like that. What else do we got here? We've got Orient Green, which is a really pretty green color. I'm really looking forward to putting this on a kit. Here we have exhaust pipes, which is not really a rust, but what actual exhaust pipes look like. So really looking forward to trying that out in some detailing. Here we have medium blue, which is, it's not really mixed up, but it looks like a really nice blue color. Here we have a satin black, which can be used for interiors or pretty much anything you want. Here we have a pearl blue. Really excited to try this out on something. And then finally we have a matte black, which can be used for wheels or just, interior parts, anything you want a nice flat look to. The Cobra motor paint line has a really extensive line of colors and also some metallics and even transparents. Okay, next up, they also sent me a bottle of the Cobra motor paints acrylic thinner. They also sent me a bottle of their Hard Rock Super Durable Glossy Varnish, and I'm actually working on a project right now that I'm going to try this on, so I'll be reviewing this on the channel soon. A bottle of their Atom Thinner and Cleaner, and then some assorted Atom colors. Now, I have used these paints on the channel on other projects before, and I really like them. They have a great consistency. They thin down really easily. They go through the airbrush easily. They also brush on easily. You can actually use a brush with these and they level out and turn out looking really nice. They also sent me a nice bottle of their odorless enamel thinner. So a really nice assortment of products so far, but wait, there's more. They also sent in this really cool model kit for us to build and review on the channel. This is the AV8S Matador, also known as the Harrier from Ammo. It's in 1/48 scale, and this is a really nice looking kit. You can do it in several different versions. I believe I am going to do the US Marines version for mine. And yes, there is a full build and review on the channel coming soon. They also sent me this carrier deck aircraft version of their Super Pack. This is one of their solution sets, and it comes with all sorts of nice stuff in here. Let's check that out. First out, we've got a quick tips guide, which it really shows you how to use the products to add weathering and detail your model kits. And keep in mind, these products and these techniques can be used on all sorts of model kits, not just airplanes. It can be used on sci-fi models, cars, trucks, you name it. It's weathering. Everything gets weathered, and these products work great for that. As I said, I have used some of these in the past, but I'm really excited to get in and use some of these here that are new to me. So let's take a look and see what we got. We've got a couple of their shaders here. We've got a navy gray and an earth. We've got another one of their shaders. This is a light gray. This is a matte. These are all matte shaders, so when they dry completely flat. Here we have their acrylic filters, so you can spray this through your airbrush, and it's just a very, light coating. You can add a lot of really nice detail with these. This is medium gray. Here we have one of their oiler brushes. I have some other oiler brushes that I use on a regular basis. This is Starship Bay Sludge. I use this one a lot. I'm looking forward to using this one. This is white, so you can dab those on surfaces and then draw them down to make streaking lines and fade things in. Really good products. This is their streaking brusher. This one is dirty gray. All right, what else do they have in here? Okay, we have some washes. We have 3 of their washes. First one is deep gray. Next one is light gray. Here we have a medium gray. And then we have some of their streaking grime effects. And then finally we have some metal slag. This is just a pigment, so you would want to apply this with like a brush or a Q-tip. Now, for those of you that have been tuning into my channel for a while now, you've seen me use some ammo products in previous builds. I've already been testing out some of these new additions off camera, and let me tell you, these are next level quality. Smooth finishes, fantastic color range, and just plain fun to work with. So you'll definitely be seeing these in a lot of my upcoming projects. So a huge thank you to the team at Ammo for supporting what I do here. I'm genuinely honored to have them on board, and I'm excited to bring you honest reviews and some killer builds using some of their products. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and follow the channel. There's a lot of exciting content coming your way. And if you've used Ammo products before, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and what worked best for you. So that'll wrap up this special announcement video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, friends, thanks for the support, be safe out there, and go build something.